Hi Sam. I hope you're doing well today.
Hi Alex. I'm great, thanks. What's our word for today?
Today, we're learning the word.
Verwaltung.
It translates to administration in English.
Interesting. Does it have other meanings, too?
Yes, it can also mean management or governance. The most common meaning is administration, especially in a bureaucratic context. Just be careful, though, some learners confuse
Verwaltung.
with similar sounding words in English.
Oh, really? Which words are those?
Well, words like validate or vulnerable might come to mind, but they have very different meanings.
Verwaltung.
Specifically refers to the organization and management of services or resources.
Got it.
Now let's dive into the grammar.
Verwaltung.
Is a feminine noun, so you would say
Die Verwaltung.
the plural form is
Die Verwaltungen.
That's good to know.
in terms of usage, you can say
Die Verwaltung ist wichtig.
meaning the administration is important. In the past tense, you might say
Die Verwaltung war wichtig.
and in the perfect tense, it would be
Die Verwaltung hat eine entscheidende Rolle gespielt.
That's a lot to remember.
it is. And if we use the imperative, you could say
Verwaltung, verbessere deinen Service.
meaning administration, improve your service.
That's quite useful. Where does the word
Verwaltung.
come from?
It comes from the old High German word,
Verwaltung.
which is related to the verb,
Verwaltend.
meaning to manage. The root has evolved over time, reflecting the growth of administrative systems in society.
That's really fascinating.
It is. Now let's break down the word. The prefix
Wer.
usually implies a change or transformation, while the root
Waltung.
comes from,
Walten.
meaning to rule or to control. So, when you put them together, it reflects the idea of managing or controlling something.
Wehe.
Is like a change, and
Waltung.
is related to ruling.
Exactly.
Can you give me some similar words?
Sure. For example, there are words like
Abwicklung.
which means processing, or means off or away, and
Wicklung.
relates to development. Then there's
Anmeldung.
which means registration, with indicating at and again.
Meldung.
Relating to a message or notification.
I see.
Other examples include
Verhandlung.
meaning negotiation, or it refers to discussions or talks, and
Bewertung.
meaning evaluation with indicating about or concerning. You could also consider
Entwicklung.
which means development, and
Verbreitung.
meaning dissemination.
That's a lot of words.
Yes, and they all share similar structures. Now, let's practice speaking. Imagine you're at the office and need to discuss administrative matters. You could start with
Ich möchte die Verwaltung sprechen.
meaning I would like to speak to the administration.
Okay, I'll try that.
Ich möchte die Verwaltung sprechen.
Perfect. Another scenario could be when you need to register something. You might say,
Ich muss mich bei der Verwaltung anmelden.
which means I need to register with the administration.
Ich muss mich bei der Verwaltung anmelden.
Great job! One more situation. Imagine you're at a meeting and want to discuss issues. You could say,
Die Verwaltung hat einige Probleme.
meaning the administration has some problems.
Die Verwaltung hat einige Probleme.
You're doing wonderfully. Now, let's talk about memory hints. Since
Verwaltung.
is feminine, remember that it ends with
ung.
which often indicates feminine nouns. You can picture a strong female leader managing an organization.
I love that image.
Regarding usage,
Verwaltung.
is mostly formal. You'll often hear phrases like
Die öffentliche Verwaltung.
for public administration or
Eine Verwaltung einrichten.
meaning to set up an administration. Just be careful not to confuse it with
Verwaltungskosten.
which means administration costs.
That's a useful tip.
Now let's look at some example sentences. For instance,
Die Verwaltung hat neue Regeln eingeführt.
means the administration has introduced new rules. Or you could say,
Ich habe mit der Verwaltung telefoniert.
meaning I called the administration.
Those are good examples.
Another one is,
Die Verwaltung wird morgen eine Besprechung haben.
meaning the administration will have a meeting tomorrow.
I like that one.
How about a quick recall check? What gender is
Verwaltung.
It's feminine.
correct? What does
Verwaltung.
mean?
It means administration.
Great. Can you give me a past tense example using
Verwaltung.
Die Verwaltung war wichtig.
Yes, that's right. How about a sentence using the imperative?
Verwaltung, verbessere deinen Service.
Perfect. Last question, what's a similar word to
Verwaltung.
Anmeldung.
Exactly. You've really got it. To sum up, today we learned about
Verwaltung,
which means administration. Remember its usage in formal contexts, and practice those phrases we discussed.
Thanks, Alex. I feel more confident with this word now.
You're welcome, Sam. Keep practicing, and I look forward to our next session.